The faster you chase money, the faster you lose it. Here's why slow wins. Number one, most people are broke not because they don't earn money, but because they rush money growth. They want quick results, quick lifestyle, quick profits, quick success. And that mindset leads them to making costly mistakes. Number two, what happens when you rush money? When you rush money growth, you make emotional decisions. You jump into bad opportunities. You ignore learning. And this makes people to lose money over and over. You know, fast money feels exciting, but it doesn't last. Number three, fast money trap teaches impatience, overspending, indiscipline. If it sounds too easy, no, it's very expensive. Because you're not learning skills. You're just chasing outcomes. And so you don't understand money. You cannot keep it. Number four, why you are not seeing growth? You are not seeing growth because you are not consistent. One idea today, one idea tomorrow. You keep starting over. No focus, no patience, such no results. You know, wealth doesn't reward confusion. It rewards consistency. Number five, the right way to build wealth. Real wealth is built slowly. You learn first. You stay consistent. And you be patient. You know one thing? What growing of it needs is building the right habit. And your money grows gradually. In conclusion, it's not about how fast you get money, but how well you keep it. Stop chasing money. Grow wealth, even slowly. Slow wealth feels boring, but is stable, predictable, and lasting. If this helped you, subscribe. Do well to check out for my shorts where I break this down step by step.